In this video, we are going to talk about copy and paste trading, what it is, and how to go about doing copy and paste trading and stuff like that. Uh, by the way, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's the only way to make my day. That's the only way you can make my day, by just liking this video. If you have questions, if you have thoughts on this subject, please leave your comments in the comment section below. I enjoy hearing what you guys think about uh, trading and the things that we talk about in these videos. If you are looking to download stuff, Forex robots, books, indicators, robots, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Getting back to today's video, we are talking copy trading. It's an innovation that many brokers are now offering and stuff like that. Basically, what is copy and paste trading is you can actually sign up for a service, either with a broker. They probably have that service where you have a certain traders who are offering copy trading. So what happens basically, the theory is, when those traders in a perfect world, those traders will be like experienced expert traders, guys who know what they are doing. So instead of you analyzing your own charts and doing all the things that are around trading by yourself, you can basically sign up for copy trading. So when these guys buy, and this happens in Forex, it happens with indices, it happens with stocks. So when those people place buys, you also get a signal to place buy, and you just buy. If those buys sell, you also get a signal to sell. You basically just copy everything that they are doing, and hopefully you make lots of money from that. Copy trading is an advantage for people who probably don't know anything about the markets, or probably who work long hours, who do not have time to sit at their charts and do their own analysis. People who basically just want to make money with trading. That's all. They don't want everything else or that's associated with trading analysis, dealing with indicators, dealing with all these other things. They just want to deposit their money and make their money. Ideally, in the perfect world, that would just work. You just find good traders who have copy signals. You just copy their signals. When they buy, you buy also. When they sell, you sell also, and you make money. The moment they make money, you also make money. That's the concept. However, sometimes it does not work that way, probably most of the time. But let's see how you can actually get copy signals, copy trading signals on your MetaTrader 4. Basically, I think it's also the same on MetaTrader 5. Basically, what you want to do is, when you go down to your terminal, the bottom section of most of the trading charts, you'll find there's a tab for trades, there's a tab for exposure, account history, news, alerts, mail, your mailbox, all these tabs. Most people do not actually look into what these tabs are about and stuff like that, but you should. So you see that one of the tabs actually says signals. So if you click on there, this is where you can find copy trading signals. This is where you can find people that are offering copy trading signals, and you can decide whether you want to sign up for their signals or you don't. So basically, you can see how they are probably growing their charts there. Be warned that don't take everything that you see by face value. Some of it is true, some of it is manipulated. Forex, you need to keep your eyes open. In forex trading, always keep your eyes open. So what you want to do, obviously, is to look for somebody with a good graph. For example, this is just an example. I'm not saying go and join these guys' signals. You will lose your money, and I will not be responsible. I'm just taking this as an example. For example, we saw how their growth curve is interesting. So we can see growth is in blue. This is how they've been growing what their account ideally, and that's average growth. You can see everything is just going up, and we even had a spike there. I don't know why it did not remain there. It kind of went down, but and then we had another spike there. It's things that you need to analyze. You need to do your due diligence because your money is at stake here. If you choose the wrong person, it means you're going to get the wrong copy signals and you're going to lose your money. And here's another thing that some of these guys do. So apparently, what they do is they set up these accounts. uh, you can see here it's a good graph. You can see this guy probably knows what they are doing. They are growing their account, but the moment see there it says subscribe for 150 USD, uh, subscribe for 150 USD, 5 USD per day. That's how much they are charging for their copy signals, for you to get copy trading signals from them. And they've been growing their account. They've grown their account by 87.43%, which is a good number. But what you need to be careful is that, let me, it's a weekend, let me do that. Um, what you also need to be careful with is that what these people sometimes do is they will trade to show you these graphs. The moment they've gotten enough signed up for this service, basically most of them they abandon the signal service. It happens. What they do is they open an account and they just trade it to attract people. And when people have signed up and they've made enough money on people signing up, then they basically abandon the signal service. They probably just plug in a robot that will just probably just be trading and giving out all these signals. Some good, some good, some bad. And you wonder what's happening now, because these guys' signals were good first, but now all of a sudden these signals are terrible. It's because sometimes they just want to attract so many people, and the moment they have attracted so many people, then they abandon the signal thing altogether. So what you want to also find reviews. You need to also find or look at reviews. How are people finding this person's signals? Look at everything. How the account has been growing. You can see the balance there. Although the curve, the growth of the account is going up, of course they've also been taking losses. For example, the account was growing there and they took a loss there. Eventually they recovered from the loss, but you can see their equity has been somewhat at some point been low. There have been massive drawdowns. These signals massive drawdowns. There have been massive drawdowns. Even recently, they've been a massive drawdown. They sort of recovered by in this. So it's things that you need to then decide, and you can simply do this with many of these people. The thing is not to just land on one single provider and all of a sudden you think that no, I'm going to just use this person. You're going to have to do your due diligence, and you're probably also going to look at subscribers and funds that they're trading with. The more the subscribers the person has, probably it's a signal that the person knows what they are doing. You are looking at my maximum drawdown. I think this is the profit. I don't know, but you are looking at drawdown on their accounts, and you are judging whether this person is taking too much risk, or do they trade the way that you would want to trade. For example, here you can see that they've never had negative drawdown up until now, and you can see there in terms of trades and win percentage. You can see let's where is that? They are winning 65% of their trades, and they've taken 3,000 trades, and they've won 65% of them. You are not going to look for people who are winning 100% of the time. I'm the first person to tell you, if you had not heard this one, nobody is going to win 100% of the time in forex trading or in any kind of trading. If anybody is 100% wins all the time, something is going wrong somewhere. They are hiding their losses. So you just need to look at these stats and decide on whether you need to be copying these persons' trading signals and stuff like that. So this is how you go about signing up for copy and paste signals, copy and paste trading, which is being popular nowadays. So you can see this person this person probably they are using a robot, because they took 18,358 trades, and they've won 72% of them. Maximum drawdown was positive 27%. This 1.87, I'm not sure what PF means at the moment. If you know what PF means at the moment, just leave it in the comment section below. Where we have lost I've lost that example, but that's basically what you're going to do. So you come to signals, and then you go through the stats of these signal providers, and you look at how they are growing their accounts. Everything is there, but don't take everything that you see here at face value. Take it with a pinch of salt. uh, the broker that I use provide, or the minimum that you can deposit with them is $5. Probably you just want to click the link in the description box below, open a $5 account, then come and test these signals. Come and test these signal providers. If you find a good one, then from there you can deposit more into your trading account and you start making money. So I hope this video helps somebody regarding copy trading. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Like this video, leave your comments in the comment section below. Until next time, bye.